Welcome to WeLearn. This is session 2 of Management Information System. Today we are going to cover different topics like what is an information system, different components of information system that we are going to cover. Types of information system will be the part of today's session. Information system and business strategies that can be used during developing the MIS. Business level strategy and value chain model will be discussed. Porter's 5 forces model. Guidelines for the settlement analysis of strategic system will be the part of today's session. Apart from this, using system for competitive advantage with respect to the management issues. This topic we are going to cover. And the most important topic is customer relationship management system. That will be the part of today's session. Now let us discuss the information system. Information system is basically the collection of organization, technology and management under a single umbrella. These three different domains work together, synchronize with each other to impart the worth of information system. Now let us discuss the definition of informational system. Information system is basically an integrated set of components for collecting, storing and processing of the data so that the same data can be delivered to impart information, knowledge and digital products. Business firms and other organizations, they basically rely on the information system to carry out and manage their operations, interact with their customers and suppliers and complete their cyclic period so that they can compete in the marketplace. There are different components of the information system. The first is computer hardware, computer software. Next is telecommunication, databases and data warehouses, human resources and procedures. These 5 components collectively give rise to the information system. Now let us discuss the types of information system. Types of information systems can be classified under 3 major categories. The first one is management support, second is supports of knowledge work, and the third one is operational support. Management support basically includes different subsystems like executive information system, decision support system and of course management reporting system. It's a kind of documentation system. Support of knowledge work includes professional support system, collaboration systems and knowledge management system, which will act as a tool in the hands of manager. Operational support system includes another subsystems like supply chain management, customer relationship management and transaction processing system. Types of information system. Types of information system includes operational support and enterprise system, support of knowledge work and management support. Information system and business strategy. The decision of the company's business strategy basically depends on products that they are going to produce, services that are being offered by the company and industry in which companies compete competitors, suppliers and customer of the company, long-term objective of the company. They are all the basic ingredients in building the decision of the company's business strategy. As a whole, we can say business strategy is based on products, services, industries, competitors, suppliers, customer and of course long-term objective of the company. They all collectively give rise to the business strategy, and that business strategy will basically help to build the information system of the organization. It is a point of discussion also that business strategy needs proper analysis, group discussion at different levels of the organization. Business level strategy includes producing products with low production cost. It is the intention of each and every organization to produce the product with low production cost. Differentiate products and service. Today is the scenario which provides lots of competition among the same line products. So differentiation concept will give a new identity to the product and services that a company is going to offer. Change the scope of the competition either by expanding the market to the global market as well as by narrowing the market. There are 5 Porter's forces model. In larger environment, there are 5 main force or threats. The first one is new market entrants. Next is substitute products and service if there is some substitution of the product or service. Suppliers, customers, other companies that compete directly. Guidelines for settlement analysis of strategic system. These guidelines will help in bringing about the settlement analysis, which is totally based on to the strategies of that organization. Guideline includes that understand the structure first and dynamics of the industry competition in which the company operates. What is going on with respect to your competitors in this cutthroat competition? This understanding will basically help in building the good strategy of the organization, and a balance can be achieved to bring about the settlement analysis. So understand the business value chain, how the business should be carried out, what is the worth of a particular product or service in a business, enterprise and industry. Consider how companies can manage the strategic shift. It is an effort to implement the system that delivers competitive advantage. Marketing management system, which involves the input of business transactions, transaction processing systems, database of external data, database of internal data, operational database. They all act as an input for the marketing management information system. And this marketing management information system ultimately gives rise to the data which is organized with respect to the sales by customer, sales by salesperson, sales by product, pricing report, total service calls, customer satisfaction. And this sort of data which help the organization in creating a database including marketing application, which ultimately gives input to the manufacturing decision support system and manufacturing expert system. So marketing management information can act as a container of data to both decision support system as well as expert system. Let us discuss the advantage that an information system gains with respect to the competition. Basically, the business continually seek to establish competitive advantage in the marketplace. Yes, it is true. There are 8 principles which helps in bringing about this thing. The first 3 principles concern about the product. The second 3 principles concern about the creation of the barrier, and the last 2 principles concern establishing the alliances and reducing the cost. Information system that creates a competitive advantage includes ABC invested heavily in information technology. ABC led the shipping industry in the application of information system for competitive advantage. Customer relationship management, which includes the database of the customers, which ultimately stores the data of different types like sales activity, customer purchases, customer returns, customer training, customer support calls, product and service and repair. There is a total exchange of data among customer database and other components. So before we end this session, there is a do-it-yourself exercise for you. In the first part of this do-it-yourself exercise, you have to define all types of information system. You have to write the brief points for the same. And the next one is, what are the information system and business strategies? You have to give a thought to this part, that what business strategies can be imposed to make the information system more effective, result oriented, and how the people can get motivation for the usage of information system. So with this, we are going to finish this session. Thank you. Happy learning, we learning.